Welcome to our TR7 Application Security Platform Frequently Asked Questions video series. In this video, I will demonstrate how to implement rate limiting using the quarantine action. With the quarantine action, various information can be monitored, such as IP and user agent or vhost and IP, to create quarantine conditions. In the event of exceeding the rate limiting thresholds, different actions can be taken, such as blocking, redirecting, or displaying content to clients. During the specified quarantine period, access to the back-end service is restricted based on the chosen action. This action can be configured specifically for one path or a specific client IP address. First, to define the quarantine action, follow these steps. Traffic Manager, Traffic Manipulation, Actions, Add. In the open screen, select Quarantine as the action type. Under the Tracking Key tab, select IP and User Agent for this example, and set the tracking duration to 10 minutes. This way, each client will be tracked based on the selected information in 10-minute intervals. As quarantine conditions, various situations can be monitored, including HTTP requests, HTTP errors, incoming data, outgoing data, total connections, and current connections. By selecting HTTP request, clients sending more than 10 requests will be put into quarantine. Set the quarantine duration and choose what action will be taken against clients who exceed the quarantine condition. For example, create a new content page. Finally, under the Conditions tab, select the circumstances under which the quarantine will be activated. If no specific information is selected, it will always be active. For instance, create a path for login.php. Click the Add button to create the quarantine action. Next, to associate the created action with a vService, open the editing screen for the relevant vService. Activate Details Actions. Select the created quarantine action and click the Save button to apply the changes. Using a browser, continuously send requests to the admin path of the relevant vService to exceed the rate limit and observe that no content page is returned. When requests are made to the /login.php path that exceed the rate limit, the content page appears, indicating that the quarantine action has been activated. To verify via the TR7 web management interface, follow the steps: Monitor Mode, Relevant vService, Log. In the open screen, you can check the information of clients that are being monitored and quarantined. You can also perform actions such as monitoring the IP addresses in quarantine and releasing them. Thank you for watching, and see you in other videos.